Hello friends, very good morning. For today intraday trading, I have selected Dalmia Bharat stock, and the reason for selection of this stock is you can clearly see dominating pressure in this stock is selling. It is very crystal clear. And second reason, this particular trend line has been already broken. Now the price is coming for retest. But I have made my entry already when this level was broken. When let me give you when this swing low was broken around 9:30. Yes, now 9:30 candle low was when broken. I have entered in this stock by taking a stop loss above the high of 9:40 candle. So let's discuss more thing. So we will move region first. So first reason is its dominating pressure is clearly selling. Second reason, a level or a price is tested multiple times by a price in last 3 or 4 trading session, and then again market is also in red. So three signals are aligned in a single directions. So that is enough to take a short trade today. I have also watching in Voltas. So actually stop loss over there in Voltas was a bit much wider because of that. So it was not actually adjusted in my money management. So I avoided trading in Voltas. Now regarding Dalmia Bharat, the stop loss was adjusted and it is as per my money management. So it is better to take the trade. My expected uh, target of this trade is almost 1805 and around 1 minute. Yes, around 1805 or 1810. So 1 is to 2.5 is the risk reward ratio of this trade. So let's move towards the analysis. So again, this was a very good kind of resistance provided by the buyers over there, but ultimately they lost their control, and again sellers came in picture, and now here on 29th November, buyers again came and started creating higher lows. So that is an indication of buying. So first low, second low, so again third low, and here also you can say. So now here again lower low was created and higher high was created. So expected actually the retesting of the price of Dalmia Bharat is this particular level is getting retested. So price also gone there, retested and came back in this level, and tried breaking this trend line multiple times but unable to break that. And again price tried to move up, and again the sellers came at that level. So this shows that there is a presence of supply or sellers which are huge with the quantity and with the volume. So better to go with a short trade in this stock. So you can clearly see whenever price is trying to make an upward movement, buying buying is going getting weaker, and selling is become stronger. So first reason that I have discussed, dominant pressure in this stock is selling. This trend line is broken with good volume. If I will enable volume, you can clearly see how much volume was generated over here. So volume is also actually one of the factor, and the market is also in red. So three signals are in a single directions, and you can also say that they are in aligned. So better to go for a short trade over here. So that is what I have done, and now I am in running profit. So my target would be around 1805 that I have already told you, and the analysis that I have discussed. So let's move towards the final part of the video, and that is the learning lesson that we have learned. So mostly in the regions that I have told you about this stock intraday trading selection in my watch list is the acceleration that uh, you have to trade along with the major trend, and that is in this case major trend or major dominating pressure in this stock and in the market as well, both are in the downward directions. So going for a short trade in this scenario is very helpful, and one more important thing is that you will be in most probably you will be in the profitable side. So this is the learning lesson that we are going to draw from this trading. From this trading. So this is all about today's trade plan, guys. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep trading. If you have some time or any kind of bandwidth to have watch on the stock, then you can also see the voltas. Maybe that has already broken that level, but maybe if you have a chance time, then you can see and look at the price action that is currently now happening in that stock. So thank you, keep trading, keep watching, bye.